Le Blanc Spa Resort Cancun. Nestled on a private stretch of beach and minutes from downtown Cancun, this adults-only, smoke-free resort features a full-service spa. It covers 5 acres and offers spacious guest rooms with 2-person hot tubs. The luxurious rooms at Le Blanc Spa Resort Cancun adults only provide satellite flat-screen TVs and fully stocked mini bars. Coffee facilities are included as well as bathrobes and slippers. Tours to Chichen Itza, Tulum, Xcaret and the jungle are available through this AAA 5-Diamond Award winner resort. Yoga and Pilates classes are on site along with a state-of-the-art gym. Guests can also use the sauna and steam room or one of the 3 outdoor pools. Many dining options are available at this complex, ranked among the top 100 hotels and resorts in the world. Breakfast and lunch buffets are available. And the property's restaurants serve a variety of cuisine, including French fusion, Italian, Japanese, Thai and Chinese options. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.